Okay, in this video we're going to take a quick look at how to set up a recurring sales order, something that you, in this specific example, something that you could invoice every month. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the sales order screen, which is up in the toolbar. I'm going to enter in a new sales order here. And the first thing I'm going to do is, after I pick my customer, is tell it that this is a template. And template sales orders do not allocate any inventory. You can never invoice them. This is just going to be our base template that we're going to generate the future orders from. Like any other order, you would fill out the information. This will all carry over to the new order. If you want, you can give it a specific number. If you want to number your templates a different sequence number, that's fine. The future orders that are generated will include this template order number in this field down here for a reference if you ever need to go back and change the template. Oh, I have a credit limit problem. Get someone with a bigger credit limit here. So now I'm going to go to line items. I'll add whatever I want to bill out. The price. So I'll just add couple different lines here. Save the order. And then the key to recurring orders is over here on the recurring button. And you can only click this for, remember, template type orders. Once I click that, it gives me this little recurring status screen, and I can set up the frequency that I want it to be generated. You can do this in days, in weeks, in months. Use this as the same codes as any other screen in Adjutant when you're doing things like this. So month is M, weeks is W, days is D. So if you wanted to do every year, that would be 12 months. If you want to do it monthly, which is what we're going to do here, we would do 1M. And then you type in how many times you want this order to generate. So if it's going to run out for a year, you would do 12. If you want it to run forever, just type a bunch of 9s in there. And that'll be the max number of times it'll generate this order. Auto ship will automatically ship the items that are on the order, if it can, when the order is generated. I typically like to leave that unchecked just to verify that the new orders that are generated have exactly what I want on them before I generate an invoice. And then down here you can tell it the next time that you want the order to be generated. So if we're going to do this starting on January 1st, I can do that. Click Save, and you are done for setting up the order. Now we need to go to the recurring order generator, which is under Transaction, Order Entry, Generate Recurring Orders. You pick a type, use the same screen to generate other recurrings. So you can pick Sales Order, and then you would have an end date, so you can generate through a specific date. You can specify customer, you can specify an order number. Obviously, if you just leave all of this blank, type Sales Order, it'll put in today's date, and then you come down here and click Generate. What it'll do is it'll find all of the items. You can see here it found one where it can't ship something. And then over on Generated Orders, it'll show you all the orders that it created. And you can drill into them directly from here. So this one doesn't have anything on it. So now, if I go change my date range and hit generate again, I'll get the ABC muffler order that I wanted to create. Actually, there's two of them. You can see there's an original order, another one that had been set up, and this should be the one that we created. There it is. And then from here, it's just like any other order. If you want to ship it, you ship it. And that's it for this one.